10 of the most luxurious hotels in Europe. European hotels can be some of the most luxurious, and we've compiled some of the absolute top hotels to stay in, if you can afford it. Ah, Europe. From white houses on Santorini's cliffs to Parisian cobbled streets, there is a hotel experience suited to everyone's taste. Europe is renowned for its culture, where you can revel in classical art, music, and elegant cuisine. And when you're exhausted after a day of discovery, you need to have a comfortable hotel to return to. And not just any run-of-the-mill hotel. Here are the 10 most luxurious hotels in Europe. Before we proceed, if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos, as we upload videos daily. Number 10. MARDAN Palace, Turkey. Built in 2009 and costing 1.65 billion, this palace is a head-turner. The spectacular building is covered in gold-plated everything and guests pay 18k a night for a lavish experience. As soon as you check in, a personal butler waits on you 24/7. There are 564 air-conditioned rooms complete with a private patio, and if you're hungry, you have 10 restaurants to choose from. Take advantage of the one-of-a-kind 5-acre swimming pool to cool off in spring or summer, or soak up the sun on the private beach where you'll feel imported Egyptian sand between your toes. And in the evening, head to the full-service spa to wind down with a massage and body treatment. When you're at the MARDAN Palace, you're treated like royalty. Number 9. Rosewood Hotel, London. London's busy streets melt away as soon as you enter Rosewood's wrought iron gates. You'll enter a courtyard that guides you to the Heritage Belle Epoque building. Be prepared to get swept away by the marble staircase and lavish interior design. There are 262 guest rooms and 44 suites. The Grand Manor House Wing suite is so extravagant, it is the only hotel in the world to have its own postcode. Rosewood spoils their guests with their decadent British menu. Enjoy an artisan afternoon tea or head to the pie room to try their unique take on the traditional British dishes. Number 8. The WESTIN EXCELSIOR, Rome. As soon as you enter the lobby, you know you're in for a treat. You're greeted with towering ceilings, marble-coated floors and walls, and glistening chandeliers. Natural daylight pours in through the enormous windows, making the lobby even more inviting. All the rooms have empire-style furniture, velvet armchairs and giant beds covered with the finest sheets. The gym offers techno gym cardio and pre-programmed workouts for guests. Don't worry if you've forgotten your gym gear. You can borrow New Balance threads. Or head to the indoor pool. Neoclassical columns and arcades frame the pool to add an elegant Italian touch. Number 7. Hotel du CAP-EDEN-ROC, France. Stay in a 19th century mansion on Cap d'Antibes. There are 117 rooms and 2 villas, complete with gilded mirrors and chandeliers. In the afternoon, stroll among the 9 hectares of landscaped gardens, or enjoy a game of tennis on one of their clay tennis courts. When it gets too hot, launch off the seafront diving board or water trapeze and into the cool water. Or take a dip into their seawater pool, which is carved into natural rock. Hungry? EDEN-ROC restaurant serves classics like the roasted sea bass or lobster and tarragon for a light, delicious meal. Number 6. Hotel CALA di VOLPE, Italy. Costa Smeralda is an exquisite island of Sardinia, which draws hundreds of guests each summer. Surrounded by the lush Mediterranean landscape, Hotel CALA di VOLPE is most extravagant. Guests pay 22k a night during peak season. People come here to relax, wake up late, enjoy a leisurely lunch, and take in the incredible scenery. Number 5. Conservatorium Hotel, Amsterdam. Even though you'd expect a classical hotel, the Conservatorium Hotel has a modern edge. Rooms are minimal with beige furniture, brushed oak flooring, and accentuated by autumnal colors. Guests can soak in Japanese-style baths and rejuvenate in large walk-in showers. It's common to see celebs catching up over cocktails and local fashion designers schmoozing in the lobby. Spend an indulgent afternoon enjoying a variety of massages, followed by a dinner at Taiko, the hotel's trendy Asian restaurant. Number 4. AMANZOE in Porto, HELI, Greece. Nestled in the Greek hillside, AMANZOE offers an array of private guest pavilions. Each pavilion has a living room with a king-size bed and gorgeous views of the countryside and Aegean Sea. To ensure guests soak up the environment, each pavilion has a private pool and an outdoor terrace. Why not take advantage of the resort's private beach? Guests can swim or spend the afternoon snorkeling, scuba diving, kayaking, and paddle boarding. Then, refill with wood-fired pizzas and fresh seafood, or dine in the restaurant for an introduction to Greek and Mediterranean dishes. You're guaranteed the catch of the day and local produce for a delicious meal. Number 3. Four Seasons, Russia. Think of the most luxurious hotel room. Now double that and you get the Four Seasons, Moscow. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with giant chandeliers, shiny marble floors, and cases of jewelry dotted around the lobby. The rooms are the size of an apartment, and guests can relax in their extravagant spa. You're also right in the middle of the action, seconds away from Kremlin, the Red Square, and St. Basil's Cathedral. Number 2. The RITZ, France. The RITZ closed for renovation in 2012. 4 years and $440 million later, the RITZ has made a comeback and added even more luxury to a guest's stay. The adjoining RITZ garden has 2 glass conservatories with retractable roofs, so diners can enjoy the garden all year round. Also, the RITZ has created the world's first Chanel spa, in honor of Coco Chanel, who stayed in the RITZ for over 30 years. The Hemingway Bar is another nod to celebrity RITZ superfan, shown through an array of hunting trophies and photographs. Rooms are equipped with Wi-Fi, quiet heating and air conditioning, and guests can take a dip into the RITZ famous swimming pool. Number 1. ASHFORD Castle, Ireland. Forested islands surround ASHFORD Castle, making it a magical backdrop to the afternoon stroll. When you go inside, you'll find the furnishings influenced by traditional craftsmanship. There are sparkling crystal chandeliers and a gleaming bar counter made from Connemara marble. Spend an afternoon playing golf or tennis amidst a dreamy landscape. There you have it. Those were some of the most luxurious hotels in Europe. To give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below if there were any hotels we left out. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educative content.